So yesterday one funny comment I saw in our YouTube channel. Exact comment is, sir, what is your secret of staying young and glowing each day with age? Staying young and glowing each day with age. So simple, of course. My age is 48. Okay. In that don't. So I thought that I'm 48 years of aged person only. But if you feel young, just a small changes in your habits, automatically, n number of advantages you people are going to get. So my small techniques, what I'm applying is nothing. Morning, compulsory I will wake up at 5 o'clock. At 5 o'clock, I will wake up. Have you, sir, right? Every day I'm sending life skills message. Even today also. 1% improvement daily. You will become better 37 times in a year. Like, have you, anyone saw that 5 a.m. club message? Okay, today's message. The first. The second, 5 a.m. early morning wake up is the first. Second thing is, I want to give small movements to my body. Okay, generally. So you are not required to go to the gym. You are spending hours of time there. Of course, it's a good habit if you can. If you can't, just DURGASOFT office is in second floor. Every day, while coming to the office and while going from office, I promise myself, compulsory I require to use the stairs. I don't want to use a lift. I promise myself every day. So stairs only. 36 steps up, 36 steps down, going down, total 72 steps. So morning at least, coming in the break time I will go, again I'm coming 2 times minimum. In the evening 2 times minimum. Then automatically how many steps I did just to come to the office, going down from the office is, almost around 76 into 4, almost 300 plus steps are covered just to come to the office. Is it a natural movement to the body or not?
Yes.
Obviously. So just 300 plus steps I'm using every day by default naturally. I'm not going to do anything. So the biggest another thing is, I want to eat by sitting on the floor. I don't want to use any dining table, all these nonsense. Sitting on the floor, eating by sitting on the floor is a wonderful exercise for you people, believe me. Okay, if you want to sit on the floor, your total body is going to be moved or not? Yes, if you are taking breakfast, lunch or dinner on the dining table, your body movement, can you please observe? Only upper part of the body is going to be moved. Lower part, you are not giving any movement to the lower part of your body. Just remember, small sir, sitting on the floor, doing lunch, doing dinner or doing breakfast. Wow, what a wonderful thing. So highly recommended. Most of the people are spending your time on furniture. So your life is going on furniture only. In the office, you are sitting in the chair working. So table, furniture, you are sitting in the chair. In the car, you are sitting in the chair. Coming back from the office, you are sitting in the sofa. You are sleeping on the cot. Like on the furniture only our life is going on. We are not using floor. Start using floor. I'm always going to sleep on the bed. Not on the cot. On the floor only I'm going to sleep. Usually I'm sleeping on the floor. Eating, sitting on the floor. Natural movements to our body, dosto. Okay, you are not required to go to the gym. Hours of time you require to spend in the gym and so on. Not at all required. Just small changes in your daily routine. Give natural movements to your body. Okay, anyway, so going to the gym, how many times you are going to do per day? If you have such a habit, how many times you will do? Yes, friend, 1 hour or 1 time. Correct, right? Per day, how many times you will go? 1 time. Next, at least weekly 1 or 2 times you are going to bunk. Correct, right?
Yes.
At least 1 or 2 times you are going to do bunk. Compulsory. You won't go. But if you sit on the floor, if you are going to eat, if you have that habit, how many times you are going to do per day?
To do
3
3 times.
times.
At least 2 times. Okay, if lunch in office, assume that at least 2 times you are going to do. Next, are you going to do this activity 7 days, 365 days or not?
Yes.
Is there any chance of bunk for this activity?
No.
No, right? Breakfast is mandatory, lunch is the mandatory, dinner is the mandatory. Compulsory. It is naturally, which is going to be continued forever. Next, suppose you are sleeping on the floor, not on the cot, not on the bed. You are sleeping on the floor. If you want to sleep on the floor, how the body is going to move to lie down? If you want, you can observe. If you want to sleep on the bed, on the cot, observe your body movements. If I want to sleep on the bed, can you please observe in what way, how you are going to the lie down position? Just on the cot, you are going to sit, and then you are going to sleep. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, it's on.
Yes. So if you are sleeping on the floor, can you please observe your body movements? Total body is going to be moved, man. Total body by default is going to be moved. That is the beauty what you people should be aware. Okay. Next, how many times you are going to sleep every day? Compulsory? Are you going to the sleep or not? Every day compulsory? Are you going to the sleep or not? Is this activity the 365 days or not? Respond. Don't be silent.
sir.
Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
So if you want to build your fitness, going to the gym weekly some 5 times or weekly some 4 days, you are going to do that. But if you implement these things naturally, then 365 days are going to be happen. That's why your fitness is not in the gym. Your fitness is in your daily habits.